Hey there, I've got a confession to make. I'm not a real person, I'm an AI avatar, brought to you courtesy of the magic behind tools like HeyGen. Surprised? Don't worry, that's exactly the kind of future-focused, tech-savvy resourcefulness you'll be discovering at our upcoming workshop on February 26th in Austin, Texas, as part of NCPN Connect. Here's the deal. If you're an educator, CTE professional, workforce developer, or industry leader who's curious, or maybe a little nervous, about how artificial intelligence can supercharge your teaching and training, this 3-hour session is tailor-made for you. We're going to cut through the confusion and show you how to make AI an approachable ally in the classroom. No robotic overlords required. During our time together, you'll learn how AI can help you craft more creative lessons, support students' individual learning needs, and even reduce your administrative load. Imagine spending less time grading repetitive quizzes and more time coaching students toward meaningful, career-aligned goals. We'll delve into how AI-driven tools can enhance everything from designing assessments that challenge learners on multiple cognitive levels to setting up seamless integrations with learning management systems. And yes, you'll discover the people side of AI, ensuring that your own human insight and personality always take center stage. Sound exciting? Good! This isn't about replacing you, it's about empowering you. Come join us on February 26th in Austin, and let's embrace the future of education together. Trust me, if an AI avatar can get this pumped, just imagine what you, a real human, can do.